Hello everyone, it's me, Santa Claus. I'm here with PANCAKE. She's wishing you a happy holidays. I'm definitely here of my own free will, and this dog has definitely not been trying to get the squeaky toy out of my stomach. I'm having a wonderful time. Yes, definitely. You need to help me. I've been trapped here for 42 days. No, I don't want to leave. Why would I want to leave? I'm going to die here, aren't I?
If I would have kept my eyes closed longer, I probably would have fallen asleep because I'm just that tired. Hi, it's Beaterbox Monday. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on the Twitter and the Instagram social media applications. My handle is on your screen right now. Below that is my website. That's where you can find all of the shoes that we're pulling out of this piddly little box today. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. Add a .com to it. That's how you can visit it on the internet. Hello, pals. Got another box from Sole Supremacy. This box was, I said teeny, it's a little teeny guy. This is old school. This box is $425 plus 40 bucks to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $465. These beater boxes that we get from Sole Supremacy are usually priced under market, so there's a really good chance we can make some money. Follow along with the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on various factors. And then we're gonna break the entire box down at the end of the video to show you how much it's worth versus how much I paid. So you can see how much potential profit there is. So potential. I'm mumbling today, holy cow. Super tired. Let's open the box. Alrighty, we're open. This is a $425 box. Don't expect anything crazy. The most profitable box I've ever gotten was $425, and that's a very old video. So shoes in here are gonna be a little bit harder to move, but the potential, if you hold and price them right, is very high. So loose shoes. Looks like there's one pair of loose shoes. This is an Ultra Boost 3.0, I wanna say, or maybe a 2.0. Not 100% sure, but it looks like some kind of triple white kind of Ultra Boost thing. No laces though, so that's kind of weird. Insole has a little bit of wear. They're in okay shape. This is gonna be a pretty excellent opportunity for me to clean these up and throw them in the laundry with Rejuvenator stuff. SB Mitch 10. So, whoa, here, can you see the shoe? Does it look okay? Ugh. How do I get away with people watching these videos? Anyways, there you go. What size is this, doy? It's a size 10.5, so I don't know if I'm gonna order replacement laces or I might just sell them without laces. We'll see, I don't really know. Size 10.5, Ultra Boost, I don't know. I don't know Adidas because I just don't care. Jordan box. It's a size 12, Jordan 7 Retro. It's like a recent release because the box is one of those newer ones. Okay, this is definitely not the original box. This is actually an Air Jordan 6, and there are no insoles, but it's a pair of the Gatorade 6s. It does have lace locks, or at least one lace lock. This has one lace lock and no insole, so that's kind of a bummer. A little bit of outsole wear. I'm gonna get this crud out of here. Oh, it's already coming off. Ew, gross. But overall, not a bad, I mean, they're in good shape. They just have no insole and there's one lace lock missing. So these will definitely be cheap. It's a size 12, so the size is right. Jordan 6 Gatorade. Got a Nike React Presto in a size 12. Whoa, okay. I don't know what this colorway is called, but it's actually kind of cool. Look at this. There's a piece of toast in there. Who doesn't love breakfast? It's a size 12. It's this kind of goofy colorway. I'm sure there's like a fun name for these, but I just don't know it off the top of my head. Apparently these are super comfortable, very lightweight, and these are gonna scream on your feet. So very cool looking shoe. Nike Presto React in a size 12. I know that shoe's probably not worth much, but it's just a fun, cool looking shoe. Kobe, we got a Kobe here. A size 13 Kobe 4 PROTRO. So it's a retro of a Kobe 4, but they call it a PROTRO because it's updated technology. These are the Charlotte Hornets, or Draft Day, or whatever they're called. Kobe 4 PROTROs. I particularly like the Kobe 4. I think it's a very nice looking shoe. Kobe 4 and the Kobe 5 are very cool looking in my opinion. I love the Chaos Joker 5s. I think they look really cool. But these are recent, a little bit of toe box creasing, a little bit of wear on the outsole. Just a cool looking colorway. Probably not much value though. That's just all there is to it. So size 13, Kobe 4 PROTRO. Nice. the original box and everything. Cool. Got a bunch more in here. And by bunch, I mean 3 more. They're just really big boxes. Let's grab this. This looks like an older Jordan. Ugh. Ugh. Size 11.5, Jordan 3. Wow, these are in great shape. Sorry, phenomenal shape. Pure Money 3s. There you go. Very little toe box creasing. You can see the outsole has like literally nowhere. These have some age on them though. These are from 2007, but it's a triple white 3. You don't really see that. There's the white 3, the flips, but they just look kind of weird. These are in really great shape. This is pretty awesome. I mean, Jumpman is still in there. Other shoe, just as good. They just need a quick cleanup and they'll be really good to go. For being over 10 years old, this shoe looks phenomenal. Size 11.5, Pure Money 3s. Wow, cool. Those have probably got some value to them because you don't see that very often, especially in that good of condition. I don't know what this is. I think it's a Jordan 2011. Yep, size 13, Air Jordan 2011. But these are worn. So there you go, a Jordan 2011. It's a black colorway. It's got this texture all along the upper. I don't know why DF is on the outsole, but size 13. I don't think there's any value in these. There is a dust bag. Look at that. The box is humongous. So there's that. Can't imagine the value is anywhere near $100 on these. So there you go. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't really know. These are these obscure Jordans I just don't know much about. So size 13, Jordan 2011s. Got one more in here. It's a size 14 Jordan 8 Retro. Wow, I could not have picked a worse shoe to end on. Oh no, it's actually not bad. So these are worn, but super lately. These are the cool gray Jordan 8s from recent, I think, like last year or something, right? Yeah, no, 2017. So these are in really great shape. The suede is still actually really soft. Inserts are there. You can see the Jumpman is fully intact, maybe. Can you see it? I don't really know, whatever. But yeah, these look like they were worn once or twice. I mean, very little outsole wear. Cool. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff you're gonna see in a $425 box. Nothing crazy, nothing hype. Stuff that's gonna maybe sit around for a minute, but you can get some good profit out of it. So size 14, cool gray 8s, your last shoe out, and that is a $425 box. Not much hype, but how's the value? I don't know off the top of my head, but here's the breakdown so you know before I do.
Breakdown!
So yeah, there you go. I don't know. This box has me super guessing. There's probably like 200 bucks in profit in here, I would imagine, which, I mean, you think about it, not really much profit, but considering that the investment was only 470 bucks, not bad. So ransomnotesneakers.com today at 6 o'clock p.m. That's where you can find these sneakers. I am currently out of town visiting family in Ohio. So if you want to buy any of these, they will not ship until next week. So I do apologize, but I hope that you have a really great holiday if you're celebrating any holiday. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Enjoy time with your family. I will see you next, this Friday? Yeah, this Friday for a big old beater box. You think this is the beater box on Friday is the exact opposite of what this one was. So thanks again. Take care of each other. And remember, they're just sneakers. Make it fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.